Hello and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if this is your first time watching me. I'm Miss Melior and I make videos about eco-friendly and ethical fashion. I'm really excited for today's video. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. I'm going to be showcasing to you all of my secondhand shoes. Shoes are one of those things that people are always hesitant to buy secondhand. I think a lot of people think that it's gross. I, however, have no issue with it. Of course, I would never buy shoes if they were like filthy and I thought I was going to get some kind of weird fungus or something from it. I do always spruce any and every pair of shoes that I get with a disinfectant, and I've never had any problems. So I'm hoping this video will showcase to you the kinds of shoes that you can buy secondhand. Maybe you have some preconceived ideas about what kind of things you can get secondhand, and hopefully I can either validate them or change your opinion. I'm also going to include where I got the item to give you some ideas on where you could look for some secondhand shoes if you like any of these, and I'll also include how much I paid for them to give you an idea of how much secondhand shoes range from. And with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. So those are all of the shoes that I currently own, and they're all secondhand. I hope that you enjoyed this video, getting a little peek into my wardrobe, and I hope that it gave you some ideas on the kinds of shoes that you can get secondhand. Honestly, you can find pretty much any type of shoe secondhand, especially on these platforms like Depop and Facebook Marketplace. If you do a really detailed search, including the color, the heel type, the size, you're bound to find something that you're interested in. So I highly recommend giving it a try. Secondhand is always more sustainable than buying from a fast fashion brand, for example, and it's always more affordable than some of these high-end ethical shops that are using like really cool, innovative materials. Love those brands, can't always afford them. If you have any questions or comments for me, of course, you can leave them in the comment section below. You can also DM me. I'm at Miss Melior. I love talking to you guys in the DMs of my Instagram, so please just head over, say hi, give me a follow if you like my content. And with that being said, I feel like that's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Again, I hope that you enjoyed it, and I will see you in next week's video. Ciao!